Have you heard the saying, buy the worst house on the best street? Can you really increase the value of your property by 60%? Here's a story for you. Many investors pass up properties in horrible condition, but in Devonport, Auckland, we discovered a property that was almost a lost cause. Rotten wood, dated kitchen, and a leaky bathroom.
So I'm doing a quick video around the house, inside and outside, and that'll give me a bit of a quick baseline of to show my team and start to build a bit of a package. I will also get guys coming in and out with your permission. So we will analyze it a little bit more. So this house needs full recladding to the same. All the windows need to be changed and upgraded. Need to remove the fireplace. It's a high ceiling, 2.7, very nice. New window, double French doors. Remove all the kitchen and rebuild it again. Of course, heaps of lights as per our standard. Some rotten color. Hot water cylinder here needs to go outside to the back. The bathroom needs to be completely redone. We might have a bath here, toilet here, vanity here.
Imagine passing up the chance to transform a disaster into a dream home. This property was exactly that diamond in the rough that most were too hesitant to touch. Our team, led by James Gorin at the Renovation team, embarked on a full-scale renovation that included a modern kitchen, a lavish bathroom, full recladding with new windows, and a new deck. We tackled every imperfection, turning this dated house into a modern, inviting home. The transformation was miraculous.
Okay, so here we are. The project in Devonport came to completion. Nice new entry, tiles, deck. Let's see what happened inside. So the fireplace is gone, heaps of lights, new heat pump, new double glazed windows everywhere, beautiful dining area with feature lights, nice beautiful modern kitchen with Bosch appliances. Beautiful. Going into the hallway. Very nice luxury switchboard with all the safety gears. Moving into the bathroom. Beautiful heated towel, LED mirror. Beautiful fully tiled shower. 1.2 meter long. Underfloor heating. Beautiful.
From a place no one wanted, it became a property everyone desired. It now rents for $850 per week, with tenants competing to move in. Initially purchased at $1,051,000 post-renovation, its value soared to $1.7 million, a significant leap in equity of a net $450,000, providing immense financial benefits to our investors. Looking to replicate this success? Contact James Gorin from the Renovation team now.